Hi, I'm Jessica McComb, Schwarzkopf Professional Canada's Curriculum Manager. We have Eric here today, and we're going to be talking about how we can take the fear out of global blonding on short hair. Welcome to Your Best Blonde Yet, featuring BLONDME. Let's get started. Our goal today is a level 10 platinum blonde. We want even lift, no banding, and a cool lavender tone. Eric is a natural level 6. He likes to wear his hair in a low taper, leaving a bit of disconnection on top. He has some previously lightened ends, so I start by sectioning the top from the sides and back, really utilizing his head shape and natural growth pattern to guide my lines. Notice the V shape in the crown to allow me to lighten the hair in natural fall. With our goal being even lift, our biggest challenge is adapting to all the different lengths. There's no hiding the mistakes in this short hair. I'm using BLONDME Premium 9 Plus Lightener with BLONDME Premium Developer 6% 20 volume, mixed at a 1:2 mixing ratio. I'm starting on the back and sides as this area is so short it often dries out and doesn't lift as well. A common mistake is to leave this hair to the end since it's so short, but that can leave you with uneven, brassy areas. Hot tip, don't cut beforehand. Leave the cut till after you lighten. This way you have a little length to help your application. This avoids irritation. Using my comb as a tool, I can work fast and clean to ensure even saturation. I love this application trick for super short areas. After I complete painting the shorter hair, I'm moving to the transition area at the round of the head. The length is now long enough that I'll start a traditional virgin application, meaning I'll start painting a ½ inch off the scalp. If I paint all the way from scalp to ends, even on short hair, I still may run into hot roots in the end. So every little detail matters when achieving an even lift. A little trick I like to use to stay off the scalp at the perfect distance is to use the inside of my knuckle on the pointer finger as a guide. It's like the perfect built-in ruler. Your sections will be clean, your application will be stunning if you follow this as your guide. Now, moving on to the top sections. I'm working parallel to his hairline on a diagonal back section. Pro tip, use a visor to protect your client's face. Safety first. On the top, I'm working front to back as his hair has a strong forward flow. And why fight the battle? Best to embrace it when the hair has a mind of its own. This is key. You'll get your best lift if you mix fresh lightener every 20 to 25 minutes. This ensures you always are working with product in its prime and active state and not a weakened formula over time. So instead of increasing your developer strength, use the same. Just keep it fresh, especially when you're already using the highest developer recommended for on-scalp applications. Once the initial application is finished, we visually process, lifting the hair to an outside of a banana yellow. I'm using my super helpful underlying pigment swatch as a tool to see the level I'm at. I'm happy with how the mid-lengths look. Using a fresh batch of lightener, I work in fine horizontal sections, no larger than 1/8 of an inch in the front 2 sections, transitioning to vertical sections through the back, flowing with his natural growth pattern to really help me avoid any overlap and banding. It's important to not let the blue tone of your lightener trick your eye and camouflage the amount of residual yellow that's left in the hair. Make sure you wipe away the product to clearly check where you're at. Once you've achieved the desired lift, rinse with tepid water, cleanse the hair with BLONDME Nourishing Shampoo, rinse, apply hair sealer for 30 seconds. This product instantly drops the pH and stops any oxidation. After the hair sealer has been rinsed, apply BLONDME Bondfinity Deep Repair Mask, process for 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly before toning. You heard that right. Mask before toning. Our Deep Repair mask has been designed to create the strongest internal bonds, setting the hair up for a perfect, seamless tone. We wanted to show you the raw lift because there's no secrets here. And I get to assess the porosity and check for any areas of unevenness. Now to decide the exact formula. During the consultation, it's best to determine our goal only to guide our path. I never decide my exact formula until after the pre-lightening is complete. We wanted to have fun with this tone. Using the BLONDME swatches, I placed them up against his lifted hair to check suitability on his skin tone and eye color. My goal is a platinum blonde with a lavender hue. I want the finish to feel chromatic, playing up natural highs and lows. I chose to use BLONDME Glow Toner 9.5-91 Lavender with BLONDME Glow Toner 0-00 Clear, mixed 1-to-1 using BLONDME Premium Developer 2% 7-volume lotion. We love the lavender tone direction, but we wanted to sheer it out a little bit just to keep that platinum feel of this look. With BLONDME Clear, you're in the driver's seat of how intense and how sheer your shade is. I love using clear to soften looks like this. To really bring out the highs and lows, I'm starting my toning application on the top, taking classic horizontal sections, stopping at the round of the head shape. I'm choosing to tone the back and sides last, as the hair will visually appear more vibrant from the way the light reflects off short hair. So the tip here is, lift here first and tone here last. Process for 10 minutes. And can I just say, I'm loving the numbering system with BLONDME. Calling out depth, level, and tone direction really makes decision-making feel safer. Something interesting about glow toners is the acidic glow technology. This further seals the cuticle from the outside, creating a glossy layer around the hair, giving the hair intense shine. With the glow toners being a true acid demi-permanent, don't let the oxidation scare you. They can appear darker. Rinse the toner till the water runs clear. No need to shampoo or recondition after toning. Then apply a small amount of Fiber Clinic's Fiber Sealer onto towel-dried hair. This product is a miracle, providing not only combability, heat protection, but also incredible split-end repair. Does it get any better? Final takeaway. Don't let short hair fool you. It can be tricky. It's the little things that make the difference in your application and in your products. These tips are universal. When you have great lift, you can tone any color. And these are the products and the pro tips that make the difference.